Join me as I dive deep into what really makes Croatia's military so strong and see if I can uncover the secrets behind their power. Croatia, a country located in southeastern Europe, has a military that's often punching above its weight. Croatia's military strength is significant, not just for its own defense, but also for the stability of the region. Being a member of NATO and having a strategic location along the Adriatic coast, Croatia plays a crucial role in European defense. Its military history, marked by the Homeland War, has shaped its current defense strategies. Croatia faces several challenges in maintaining a strong military. One major issue is budget constraints, with a defense budget of around 1.4% of its GDP, which is slightly below the NATO target of 2%. Croatia has to carefully allocate its resources. Geopolitically, the country is surrounded by complex neighbors, some of which have their own set of military and political challenges. These geopolitical issues require Croatia to stay vigilant and adaptable. The country has to balance its defense needs with the economic realities. Despite these challenges, Croatia has made significant strides in modernizing its military. Croatia's military strength can be attributed to several key factors. First, its training and education programs are designed to meet NATO standards, ensuring that its soldiers are well prepared. The country also invests in technology, upgrading its equipment to include modern naval ships, aircraft, and cyber defense capabilities. International partnerships, especially within NATO, play a crucial role in enhancing Croatia's military strength. These partnerships provide opportunities for joint training, intelligence sharing, and strategic cooperation. Such collaborations not only improve Croatia's military readiness, but also contribute to regional stability. Croatia's participation in international peacekeeping missions is another testament to its military's capabilities. By engaging in various UN and EU missions, Croatia demonstrates its commitment to global security and peace. Croatia's military has also been involved in several humanitarian missions, providing aid and support in various parts of the world. These missions not only reflect the country's commitment to global peace, but also enhance its military's operational capabilities. In summary, Croatia's military strength is a result of its strategic investments in training. Despite facing challenges, technology, and international partnerships, the country has managed to build a capable and ready military force. So, what do you think about Croatia's military? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about military strengths in the region, check out our video on the military power of Slovenia.
Out and train like every
we will be able to show you that, and you will be able to sit with the operators. And then you just fire and forget, right? Cover these and leave it there like this. Then you just, you're on systems like this, that kind of environment, and systems like this.
Especially with how you guys have mountains in.
And more aircraft, more ships, but we just have more out. So grab here, then grab here, grab here. Yeah. Have any shoot this. This is the then it means the system is ready to launch. So it's really easy to launch, it's really maybe a little bit less the ball. Yeah.
Super vam je ekipa.
Nema mikrofona, ne. Koliko ste u vojsci? There are 3 different armies here.
Time! Tree 9.5! Tree 9.5! Charge! 2 Lima! 2 Lima! Deflection, tree 217! 217, check! Quadrant 593! 593, check!
je kao korektura koja prolazi na sve ostale haubice.